Assalamualaikum and hi there, this is Rivat from GFX Skills. In today's episode, I will be transforming this image from this to this with some simple color grading and masking. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I will clear out unnecessary things around the subject in the photo. Now I will make another copy of the layer. Now I will be doing basic color correction with the camera raw filter on this layer. Reduce the values of highlight and white 9 and 10. I will increase the vibrance to about 56. In the FX panel, I will increase the clarity and texture to about 5. Then I will make the popular curve in the curves panel to make the photo pop and show more contrast. Then if you look at the photo, you will see there are some red elements that needed to stand out more. So I will increase the saturation and luminance of the red a little. Since our subject dress is mostly orange, we will increase the saturation of the orange color to make the color pop. And if you notice, you will see that some of the grass looks green, so I will reduce the hue and increase the saturation to make them the same color as the rest of the grass. In the color grading panel, I will push the midtone and highlight towards reddish orange, keeping the saturation low and shadows towards cyan. I will increase the sharpening a little in the detail panel. Finally, in the calibration panel, I will increase the saturation of the blue primary to about 22. Then hit OK. I will copy the layer and name the layers. I will keep the top layer selected and go back to the camera raw filter to do the final step of masking. I will select the sky and increase the contrast to 24. Then I will reduce the shadows to 25 and whites to 15. I will use the point color panel to make the sky a little teal because teal and orange combination looks good. Then I will select the background and subtract the sky from the background. Increase the contrast a little and reduce the highlight shadow white a little. I will also reduce the saturation a little. The flower in the basket looks overexposed, so I will reduce their contrast highlight and white. I will darken and desaturate the shadows of the mountain a little more. And increase the highlight, contrast, white and saturation of the luminance areas. The lower left corner of the photo looks too bright, so I will reduce the brightness using a linear gradient. I will reduce the brightness of the grass behind the subject and increase the contrast a little. Then select the subject, increase the contrast a little, reduce the highlight and white a little. And increase the saturation to 22. Finally, I use a radial gradient to increase the subject highlight, shadows and saturation to 15. So that's it. You can color grade and mask as you wish because there is no right or wrong way to color grade. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned to improve together.